we don't have no power, no water, and it's hard to live over here. It's hard to live.
Well, they have shelter for them. I don't know how it's going to be because they have shelter for them. I don't know what the government plan, only the government know what the plan is. I don't know what the government plan, what they're going to do. But so far, I see they have some shelters and NASA for them.
Basically, we got about a little under 300 at this particular time, but we got more people that are being flown in.
Okay? Let's go.